Be honest with me. Is this the phone of your dreams? Right now? Like, look at it. Tell me.
Hi guys, it's Kenneth here. Welcome back to the channel, and today the video is focused on Huawei Y9. It was released back in 2018 October. I was meant to do the video back then, but I couldn't, so now I can. So let's get into it.
Hi guys. So first then, don't be confused. There is an already existing Huawei Y9, but that's the 2018 version. But this version is called the 2019, and it has been upgraded. There are some better upgrades than the previous version, basically. So now this version, the 2019 version of the Huawei Y9, contains 4 AI-powered camera, 2 each on the front and the back. So the smartphone comes in the trendy gradient glass build and looks very much like a premium smartphone. For me, it looks like someone finally watched a YouTube video on makeup and beauty and just saw those trendy ombre eyeshadows. I was like, oh wow, why can't we not do this one for a phone? And they were like, okay, we have the money, let's do it. You get? And they did it. So more so, the specs listed on the smartphone are quite interesting, considering it's only a mid-range device. Some of the features include a quad camera setup and a fairly large screen. Basically, mid-range means it's in the 70,000 naira range for Nigerians, and boy, that's expensive, to be honest. Well, our GDP per capita is $4,000. Who are we kidding? So the key specs and features on the phone currently stands at 6.5 inches, an IPS LCD screen, a 1080 by 2340 megapixels, then an Android 8.1 Oreo. It also has an octa-core high silicon Kirin 710 CPU with a 4 gig or 6 gig RAM, depending on your order or depending on your wallet. No shade. 64 gig or 128 gig built-in, depending on your wallet again, up to 400 gig with a memory card. So it also comes with dual camera, like I aforementioned. So 16 megapixels plus 2 megapixel rear camera, and a 13 megapixels plus 2 megapixels front camera, and a 4G light. And it also has a fingerprint scanner, then a 4000 mAh non-removable Lion battery. Hear my roar. So the design is an all-glass build on the Huawei Y9 2019. Looks very much like what you have on a Novia series or on the Mate series right now. There is the highly reflective back design, which brings out the sheen, and the which is basically known for now, and that's why I think a lot of people are buying the phone because of the colors on the phone. It gives kind of like a poor man's rainbow color. So yeah, the battery and the camera are quite good. From what I'm saying, it's back in the 4000 mAh. You can be rest assured of good screen time and fair gaming. Basically, yeah, and it doesn't get hot when you're browsing the internet. Then again, for the OS, Huawei doesn't need to buy softwares for their phone because of their high silicon Kirin 710, taking care of business on the phone. Then we talked about the price. It's basically 76,000 naira, 900 with change, currently on the Nigerian market. But on the international market, it's around $200 plus to get the phone right now. So yeah, that's all we have for you guys now. Stay blessed.